Hi chefs, welcome back to Closkitchen. And for the new subscribers, welcome. Today I will be showing you how to make a $5 meal. So let's see what I got for $5. I got a 3-pound bag of white rice, some boneless chicken breasts with $1 off, a can of sweet peas, and a box of jiffy corn muffin mix. So my grand total is $4.58. So I'm starting off with 2 cups of rice, which I'm going to rinse. Then I'm going to add some water to it and bring it to a boil. I'm cooking my rice on medium heat, and once the water has evaporated, I'm going to reduce the heat to low until the rice is cooked. Now I'm going to move on to my thinly sliced chicken breast. My chicken breast is still a bit frozen, but I'm going to place them apart from each other in a bowl. Next, I'm adding some lime juice as well as some water to soak my chicken for about a minute. This will help it to defrost at the same time. I have rinsed my chicken and added some seasoned salt, some onion powder, and some garlic powder. Then I'm going to flip it and add some more seasoning to the other side. I'm starting off with some seasoning salt to taste, as well as some onion powder. Then I'm going to add some dry parsley, as well as some dry celery. Now I'm evenly spreading the parsley as well as the celery. I am adding 1.5 teaspoons of minced garlic. I love garlic in my food. Now it's time to mix in all those dry seasoning and garlic into the chicken breasts. It smells good already. It's not even cooked yet. I've added a handful of chopped onions as well as some bell peppers. I'm spreading the bell peppers evenly on both sides of the chicken breast. I'm letting it sit for a few minutes so that it can infuse all the different flavors from the seasoning. Whilst my oven is preheating at 350, I'm going to place my chicken breast into a baking dish. I've added some water to my bowl and I'm going to submerge my chicken breast with the water. I'm I'm also adding the remainder of the bell peppers that was in the bowl. We can't forget our bell peppers now. I'm covering my baking dish with some foil and I'm going to bake my chicken until it is brown. Once my chicken is in the oven, I'm going to check on my rice. Now that it's done, I'm going to fluff it with a spatula, then reduce the heat to low to keep it warm. Moving on to the cornbread, I'm adding 1 box of jiffy as well as 1/3 cup of milk, half a teaspoon of cinnamon as well as 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now I'm going to mix all my ingredients until I get a smooth texture. Oops, let's not forget the egg. I was having some technical difficulty with this brown egg. I'm using my spatula again to mix in the egg with my batter. Once I'm done, I'm going to pour it into a greased dish and bake it for about 20 to 25 minutes or until it's brown. Yes, look at that golden brown cornbread. I'm going to apply some butter on the top of my cornbread whilst it's hot. I'm also applying some sweetness to it with a touch of honey. Now that everything is cooked, I'm moving on to my next dish. I'm draining my can of sweet peas into a bowl, which I'm going to set aside to use later. I'm preheating 1 tablespoon of olive oil on medium heat. Now I'm adding a handful of chopped onion as well as some bell peppers. Then I'm going to use a spatula to mix both ingredients together, and I'm going to let it cook until my vegetables are translucent. Now that my vegetables are cooked, I'm going to add my can of sweet peas and mixing all the ingredients together. I'm reducing my heat to low, and I'm going to add some dry seasoning to my peas. I'm lightly sprinkling some onion powder as well as some garlic powder. And I'm also adding some dry parsley as well as some dry celery. Next, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of the juice that I got from the can of sweet peas, as well as a pinch of turmeric powder. And a teaspoon of minced garlic. Next ingredient will be some salt to my taste. I am done with my seasoning, and now I'm going to use my spatula to mix all those ingredients together with the flavors. I'm going to steam my peas for a quick minute so it can infuse all the flavors. Then I'm going to add the 2 cups of rice to the peas. Then I'm going to use my spatula to evenly spread the peas with the rice. As my rice is cooking, I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of that juice from the sweet peas. Then I'm going to use my spatula to mix it all. I'm gradually adding 4 more tablespoons of the juice from the sweet peas. I'm lightly sprinkling some seasoning salt. Then I'm using my spatula to mix in the seasoned salt. And I'm also adding the remainder of the juice from the sweet peas. And I'm simmering my rice on low for 5 minutes. So for my $5 meal, I have some golden brown cornbread, some flavorful rice with sweet peas, some baked chicken breast with bell peppers. The full recipe will be posted on Closkitchen.com. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And as always, keep cooking, chefs. Bye.